been a wild week for the stock market. Let's get a checkup from Dr. B. Good to see you there. This is an exciting time for the market and the summer with the Olympics underway. I see that you're sporting your Olympic shirt from Rio. I recently learned you performed doctor duties for the U.S. handball team. That is wonderful.
Yeah, thanks again for having me, Angela, on the show. Yeah, quite a unique experience. I was training at Mount Sinai Medical Center in Miami Beach. I did a rotation at Ryder Trauma Center with a Brazilian trauma surgeon, and he invited me to be in the Olympics with him and his team in Rio in 2016. So I went down there and worked courtside as the ER doc on the team, and it was once in a lifetime experience.
Let's get a check on the trades you're tracking. You are always in the trading game. Shares of Ford really tanked hard on Thursday. What do you think?
So what I'm looking at is you see a lot of support right in this area. Okay, a lot of these pivot lows. And so I'm looking for a bounce. Okay, this should bounce back up into this area about 1250. So really beat down.
What are your thoughts on the big sell-off in the NASDAQ this week? You've been calling for a market correction.
This is the NDX, or the index that follows the NASDAQ. And really what this is a big technical resistance level. I may have spoken about this last week on the show, but this is a parallel channel here. And you can see that the price is moving downwards from this resistance line. This could be, the markets have fooled me before. I was calling for that wedge to break on the S&P several months ago. It did break. It pulled back around 5 to 7%, but it didn't follow through. This could be the follow through on the NASDAQ. And the fact that the Mag 7, which are highly concentrated in the NASDAQ, have led this rally. When the NASDAQ breaks, the overall market should come down with it. And I think we're starting to see that now.
Thank you for your commendable service to our athletes and your trades. Go USA.
Go USA. Yeah, it's always great to be on the show, Angela. We'll see you next week.
Go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.